our wedding day to my darling Nika Alia.
She was all I could see. She was all there was in front of me. Try to climb the mountain peaks. What if I only ever reached the sea? Would you stay awake and wait for me?
Hakabaning kong aswa bangan simti api kum ikurim jonga. Makwa abang yathu api balingba kini kisnam barok ki balalit no. Pilalong shisha inong yarap nong kershan nong aibut nong aibol nong pentingan yang hakasitom kasipa but nong ay mensiam yang habarok kiliang bangan la ban kiu saprang habarok kiliang bat banang ya yai sakri ya ublay na aingu ya ublay ba ula thau kurpang ya pi na kabenta jonga bat ngakular bandan ringkat bat pi halenter kisngi kajing em jonga.
She was tired, I could see.
My dearest Paihun, we have been dreaming about this day for so many years, and it is finally here by the grace of God. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to marry you and finally call you my husband. Thank you for everything. You truly are my biggest blessing, my golden star. I can't wait to start this new chapter with you. I look forward to traveling the world with you and for all the milestones that we will tread together.
Wat lai ni long hakanu ka jing long ru ngakular bandan ringkat hasenda jong phi ban long unong ai mensiam bat nong kershan bor ya phi dakani ka sithi ngakwa ban penpa ha phi mga it shisha ya phi dak do not baro bat ba ka jing it ka jong ai phi namla ban batai bat on amla ban tho bat ngin yai long ka we kat hadu ka sngi ka jing yap hi kan dat pen ya khlat ing tang de kini ki kantian akwa ban penkut ya kange ka sithi ka jonga bat nganduai bo blei unlong ukli bat mau siang ka jing em jongi bat kumju ru ka long yeng yong long sam jongi.
Sit and wonder now if I'm doing fine. Hold me close and it'll be alright. Take it easy on my eyes. Take it easy on my eyes. I see her light. Take it easy on my eyes. Take it easy on my eyes. Sit and wonder now if I'm doing fine. Hold me close and it'll be alright. Take it easy on my eyes. Take it easy on my eyes. Now that it's just me and you, can we talk for a few? I've got something to get off my chest. You probably already know, been in racing like hell, but I guess I'm just gonna say it out loud. I'm in love with your daughter, and I've been since the first time I saw her. I'll ask her the question, if you give your blessing, when she takes my hand, you can trust I'll love her enough.
I pledge and vow my undying love for you. I pray God blesses us and keeps us in His favor always. To my best friend, I have no words to express, but I promise to always show how much I love you with my actions, facta non verba. I am so grateful for everything that you have done for me, even though we may face many hurdles in life, but with God by our side, we can overcome all odds. I love you to infinity and beyond. See you at the altar. Your bride, Dominica. Amen.
You can trust I'll love her enough for the both of us. She'll always be your baby girl, and I'm gonna give her the world, 'cause I'm in love with your daughter, and I've been since the first time I saw her. I'll ask her the question, if you give your blessing, when she takes my hand, you can trust I'll love her enough for the both of us.
It is Yasa, and I have the honor of being the beautiful bride's younger sister. Vinika asked me to be her maid of honor, and I told her that I wasn't going to let anyone else take this role because I am her one and only sister, and I've been waiting for this moment my whole life. Vinika and I have always had a strong bond. Of course, we argued and fought a lot during our childhood, and we couldn't see eye to eye. But as we grew older, we began to have an understanding, and my memories are filled with laughter, hugs, and secrets shared between us. So I know deep in my heart that the greatest gift that May and Sarah gave us was each other. Prince Lam, thank you for being the brother that I always wanted. I've been calling you my brother-in-law for many years now, and in my mind and heart, you've always been a part of our family, and there's no doubt that you belong here.